What's up YouTube? Welcome to New Parents in Training. So today I got a new gadget, the Rock2more. This is a shaker. This thing is quite unique. They are currently on Kickstarter, and why it's so unique is because, let me show you. This thing is stuck on there by magnet. So how you open this, like let it go, you push this down and this comes up, and that's how it come up. Like, check this out. And this is how you release it. It makes cleaning much easier. And also, you see all those holes? So like, whenever you shake protein powders, usually they were stuck in the clump, and this will break it down even further. So you will actually get a really good mix once you start shaking this. So today I'm gonna show you how to use this shaker to make milk froth. And then I'm gonna add a shot of espresso in here to make a cappuccino. So yeah, this is quite unique. You don't need an electric coffee maker to make a good cup of coffee with milk froth on top. So anyway, let me show you this real quick. So this can hold up to 12 ounces or 350 ml. And I'm gonna just use cold milk. Now, because I'm gonna shake it and like it can go up to max in terms of the froth. So I'm not gonna fill all the way. I'm just gonna pour about 150 ml of milk in there. And then close the lid and just shake it away. Now, I tried this earlier and it took me about a minute or so to get the foam up. So you can see like it started from 150 and now the foam is going up to 10 ounces. So what I would suggest you to do is shake until the foam get up to the max level, and that's when you know it's done. And you can feel it too. The stuff inside is getting much harder for you to shake. It's getting thicker and thicker. All right, so it's not entirely up to max, but it's almost 350 ml. So as you can see, the foam, the milk foam rise. And now, what I need to do is make a cup of coffee. So I have this Staresso. And what I'm gonna do is to use one of the Starbucks capsule. So you can use cold water, by the way. So I have reviewed this before, and it runs both really well with hot water and cold water. And this goes right on top of, voila! Right on top of a container. Look at this, check this out. Isn't that cool? Okay, so we'll just pump away. All right, check this out. See, the coffee is down here now, and on top of it is nothing but foam, and a little bit of milk that's wasn't shake all the way is down in the bottom. So oh, this is good. So this combination is really good if you working in the office environment. Let's say if you're working and your office doesn't have a kitchen where you can do all this stuff, then you can just do it on your desk, right? Get a little bit of milk, shake away, and then use the Staresso to pump the coffee into here. And all of a sudden you got yourself a good cup of cappuccino right here. This is good. All right, next I'm going to show you how to make a dalgona with this shaker. All right, so the clean is super simple. All you need to do, just take this out and just press down and release, and you can rinse this out. and to put it back and just snap right back on. So it's really simple. All right, so dalgona, super simple to make. 2 tablespoons of hot water, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. We use Nescafe, you can use whichever you prefer, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. So here we go. And then the hot water. And then I'll shake away. Okay, so this will take a little bit longer than frothing the milk. You just have to shake, and you will know when this is going to be done by feeling it, because the liquid won't move around as much, and you will feel that things inside are moving much slower. And if you want, you can open it up, take a look at it. The coffee starts dripping a little bit slower now. Well, this will definitely give you a good workout. It's been about 3 minutes. I'm gonna stop now. I think that should be enough. Okay. I have here oat milk. We really like oat milk and just how it tastes, and a little sweet too. So we just now pour on top. Whoa, 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 look at that. Isn't this cool? You have the oatmeal ice underneath, and you have a layer of just cream on top. And yeah, this is super cool. It's really convenient to use as well. And especially if you're in an office environment, if you want something to pick you up in the middle of the afternoon, then just shake away and give you a good workout. And you can get a good cup of dalgona coffee while you're at it. So anyway, this is my review of the Rock2more shaker. I'll put all the information down in the description below so you can go check it out. Until next time, bye.